Very happy to be here in this occasion. I have two things to tell you. One, my mother, she is 92 years, still alive. She is the student of Charles Borromeo School, Ranipet. And I am a product of Don Bosco. I have worked in 8 countries in the world. And in 1986, I worked in Hosur in Titan Watch Factory. In 1986, I have come to Krishnagiri and to all the districts and taluks of Dharmapuri district, Krishnagiri district. We have recruited people to this Tata company, and so many people have worked. Now the history is repeating. Now I can tell you, the sister said, God is calling you to become nuns and you to become priests. I am telling you, even coming to a family life is a calling. So it is very, very challenging calling. I am calling you not to family life, because if God is giving me a chance to go back 30 years, I will rather become a priest. And she's my wife. Anyway, let's come to very important thing. Why I have come here today? To meet Father Jnana Prakasam, who is the youth director. Again, Tata company is starting another one very big company near Hosur. It is called Tata Electronics. And we need youngsters for employment in this company. Tata Electronics is going to give 15,000 rupees salary, provident fund, ESI, hostel, free accommodation, and an opportunity to continue your education through correspondence if you want. This is a wonderful opportunity, but it is only for women. Anyway, hold on. Boys, don't worry. There are other opportunities which are coming for boys also. Not in Hosur, it is going to come in Bargur. Okay? Ola electric scooter is going to start a factory. You also will have great opportunities. So therefore, today it is not only calling to become nuns and sisters, even to become a carrier in your life, an identity in your life. What is important to lead a life? இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம் வாழ்க்கையில். சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க. பணம், கேஷ், கரெக்ட்? கேஷ். ஆற்றல் இருந்தால் உங்களுக்கு கேஷ் வரும். நான் சொல்ற கேஷ் வந்து CASH இல்லை, நான் சொல்றது வந்து KASH. K stands for knowledge. A stands for attitude. Attitude என்ன தெரியுமா? சொல்லுங்க. Anybody? Anybody? Mic there? Huh? Okay. Attitude என்பது வந்து நீங்க உங்க வாழ்க்கைய எப்படி அணுகுறீங்களோ, பாசிட்டிவா நெகட்டிவா, அதுதான். எஸ் என்பது வந்து ஸ்கில்ஸ், உங்களுடைய திறன். யூ கேன் பிகம் அ எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ் இன்ஜினியர் ஆர் மெக்காட்ரானிக்ஸ் இன்ஜினியர் ஆர் அ டீச்சர், எனி ஸ்கில். லாஸ்ட் கேஷனுடைய லாஸ்ட் இனிஷியல் என்ன? H. H stands for habits. Good habits. If you have knowledge, attitude, positive attitude, skills and habits, you can earn cash, CASH. You can become anybody you want to become. This is my humble message. And those who want to really apply for jobs, I am leaving the address and email ID with Father Prakasham. Okay, you can contact. If you are not eligible, you can refer your sisters or your relatives. But please, my humble request is concentrate on developing your cash. I wish you all the best. Thank you.